In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile workspace, perfect for everything from project management to personal journaling. Knowing how to quickly jot down your thoughts or important information is key to getting the most out of it, and it's simpler than you might think. So let's dive right in and get you creating your first note. Step 1. Open your Notion workspace. First, open up your Notion workspace. You can either navigate to an existing page where you want to add your notes, or create a brand new page. To create a new page, look for the plus New Page button in your left-hand sidebar or at the bottom of your workspace. Then click it. This opens a blank canvas ready for your ideas, or you can choose from a pre-made template if you prefer. Step 2. Start typing your notes. Once your page is open, whether new or existing, you'll see a blinking cursor. This is where the magic happens. Just start typing. Notion is designed to be intuitive, so you can input your thoughts, ideas, or reminders directly onto the page. This immediately creates a basic text block, perfect for quick, straightforward notes. Step 3. Organize notes with blocks. To make your notes even more powerful and organized, Notion uses blocks. Typing simply creates a text block, but you can change its type or add new ones to structure your content. Examples. Headings. Type a /1, then type heading, and select your desired size. To-do lists. Type .to-do and press enter to create checkable tasks. Other blocks. Type A and browse the full menu to add bullet points, toggles, prots, images, videos, embeds, and more. These blocks help you structure your notes for better readability, turning simple text into dynamic, interactive content. Pro tips. Use toggle blocks to hide or reveal detailed information for cleaner notes. Combine headings, bullet points, and checklists to create structured meeting notes or project outlines. Embed media, like images, PDFs, or videos directly into your notes to enrich your content. Use linked databases or inline tables to connect notes with tasks, projects, or reference materials. And there you have it. Adding notes in Notion is straightforward and incredibly flexible. With these simple steps, you can start capturing all your brilliant ideas and important information in one organized, adaptable place. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite Notion note-taking tip, and subscribe for more productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching.